I was inspired to research the issue opportunity of modifying recipes for health benefits, because I think breakfast is an important meal of the day. So I'm going to take you through the steps of how I got to my final modified scone recipe. This is my driving question. I got from this recipe, and I modified it to the rest. After I constructed my driving question, I started thinking about some of the things I could swap in for not as healthy ingredients. For example, butter and white flour, etc. While doing this, my mom helped me with some suggestions. After thinking about most of the things I could swap in, I started to plan my recipe, so I wrote it all down to keep track of what I learned and my ideas. Then, when I finished planning my recipe, I tested it out, but it didn't go very well. When I realized that there was too much olive oil, I improved it. So I took some olive oil out of the recipe and I added more whole wheat flour to know for next time. After making a pretty solid plan and testing out a couple of times, I had a meeting with my expert, Kim McQueen, a nutritionist and naturopath. When I told her all about exhibition and the issue opportunity I was studying, these are some of the questions I asked. Then I asked my driving question. Unfortunately, she could not get back to me, so I decided to narrow it down to 10 to 13. The things that went well during the maker project is that when I faced challenges like when the batter was too oily, I knew how to fix it, so I just added more whole wheat flour. What I've learned from this experience is that you need to have a very good plan before you start making something, so then if I have to make some adjustments to the recipe, it won't be very hard. At first I thought for swapping out the heavy cream that I could just use olive oil to swap in, but I learned that olive oil is to fill in the fat part of the cream and the silk is to fill in the thickness of it. If I could do this project again, what I would do differently is probably try to talk to all my experts sooner than later, because I only talked to two of my experts, my mom and Kim wasn't able to get back to me. I would have also liked to put more time in getting all the nutrition facts from my ingredients too. I still think it's important for everyone to have a healthy first meal of the day, and I hope now you do too.